Today we are going to do a moving floor experiment. Are you ready? Let's start. To do this experiment, we need color sheet, pencil, scissors, a bowl, water. Draw a flower in the color sheet. Cut the flower. Like this, yeah. Pour the water in the bowl. Fold the flower petals like this. Put the paper flower in the water. I'm letting you all in the water because you are belonging in the water. Let me go up, down and down. Let me save these like this. Don't go anywhere, you cheeky little one. Go here. Don't change my colorful background. Mommy, please change my background again. Not this color. Now it's okay. This experiment is to demonstrate how plants absorb water and nutrients which helps them grow and bloom. This experiment visually shows how water travels